Everyone, you're welcome back on our journey on circle geometry. Today we want to pick another two theorems. We'll take questions on those two theorems. Last time we talked about theorem 1, which is angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. We as well talked about angles on the same segment are equal. But today we want to focus on angles. Angle on a semicircle is 90 degrees, and opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. We will just use this to solve question. If you want to learn more on how to prove it, you can, talk to us on the comment section so that we can give you full details on that. So, looking at it structurally, if you have a circle and ensure you have a diameter where you have center O at the middle of the diameter, any angle resting on that diameter is taken to be 90 degrees. That's what this theorem is saying. Anyhow your diameter is, even if your diameter is crossing like this, just ensure that it is diameter. That is, if you have been told it is diameter, then any angle resting on it is 90 degrees. Also, for theorem 4, which is opposite angle, when you have cyclic quadrilateral, when you have a circle and you have a quadrilateral where the vertices of the quadrilateral is touching the circle, when you bring them out like this, the angles facing each other, like this x and y, they are facing each other. When you add them up, it must give you 180. If this is 70, this place will be 110. If this is 50, this place will be 130. So let's take a question to take care of these two theorems. Look at this diagram. We were told that O is the center. If O is the center of the circle, please make sure you are told in the question. If you are not told it's the center, you don't assume it is the center if you are not told. So, but here we are told that O is the center of this circle. Because O is the center and we have a triangle on the diameter, therefore, we are sure that this is the diameter now. And this angle is actually resting on it. Yes or no? This is why this is 30. So this angle B is 90 degrees. You have to tell us, you now tell us that ABC, angle ABC is 90 degrees. Why? You tell us that angle on a semicircle. It's a semicircle because a semicircle will only occur if you have a diameter meeting up with an arc. So angle on a semicircle. So if this is 90 degrees, then you can now bring out a triangle. This is 90, this is 30, this is y. We are going to add them together. Y plus 30 plus 90 will give us 180. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So y plus 120 is 180. Y is 180 minus 120, which is 60 degrees. So that is how to solve that. So if it's a jam question, you don't need to waste your time. I don't know that this is 90 degrees. Just know that if I add this together, it must give me 90. I will just say 90 minus 30, 60 degrees. So let's go to question 2. We are asked to find x and y.